And? Ta-da!
I don't like this.
What's it say?
So you know I love you, but now do you actually want your gift? Yeah.
Oh, Lambert, you can sing that note.
There you go, sing that note.
You gotta put it back in the box.
Yeah, keep
I like that.
That was good.
Oh, it's fine.
Hi, Belle. It's a video. Say hi.
Hi.
There you go.
Now he's gonna go in here and not know if
Fable.
he's...
Yay. I know.
What?
Oh, why new? There you go, you.
Because it was like $3 more. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you. I wanted this game though.
You think? It was on
So
our
did you like your
Christmas
gift?
list. It was on the Christmas
Did you
list.
like your gift?
Yeah.
Nice song. Nice job.
All that for piece of paper. I thought you took the game out of the game and stuck it in there.
No. We told her what to. I told her to take it out and hide it.
All right, everybody say bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.